Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, volume 1. Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. It's World Kindness Day. So why not carry out a random act of kindness?
Alexa, what's the time?
It's 3:11 a.m.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 25 degrees with intermittent clouds. Today, you can expect hazy sunshine, with a high of 32 degrees and a low of 21 degrees.
Alexa, set a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Starting now.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Alarm set for 7 a.m.
Alexa, add create YouTube video to my to-do list.
I've put create YouTube video on your to-do list.
Alexa, what is my flash briefing?
Here's your flash briefing. From Tech News.
OnePlus 5T appears in leaked unboxing
Alexa,
video and bet.
Pause. Alexa, resume.
CEO hints at higher price tag. Xiaomi Redmi Note
Alexa,
4 India.
Stop. Alexa, flip a coin.
I flipped a coin and got heads.
Alexa, roll a 6-sided dice.
I rolled a die and got 6.
Alexa, what's the capital of India?
India's capital city is New Delhi.
Alexa, who plays Jon Snow in Game of Thrones?
In Game of Thrones, Jon Snow was played by Kit Harington.
Alexa, how do you spell tomorrow?
Tomorrow is spelled T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you get when you cross a pig and a centipede? Bacon and legs.